Hello. Allow me to introduce myself. I am nature. I have been around for quite some time now. Around 4.5 billion years, depending on how you see it. But who is counting? I am, in the broadest sense, the natural, physical, or material world or universe. Life, as you call it, began on Earth around 3.5 billion years ago. That is where your journey began. You are very adaptable, and your appearance has changed over the years. You call it evolution. After all, oxygen was first a poison which threatened the very existence of early life. Now it is the fuel vital to your existence. Your species' journey started around 300,000 years ago. You have come a long way, and you have struggled in many ways with how to understand and position yourself towards me. Several answers from different religious views have been produced. Many great ideas have flourished, and the past 500 years have produced great scientific thinkers. Recently you even talked about the conquering of me, but that is just ridiculous. 300 years ago, you started to harvest stored materials which I have built up for thousands of years long before you came along. You treat these as an endless resource, and during these 300 years, you have managed to alter the earth in ways previously unseen. You call this era the age of humans, the Anthropocene, but I call it a consequence of life, an expression of me. For years you were fearful towards me, but now, you are fearful of what you can do with me. You do not understand where you come from, but you have begun panicking about where you're going. In order to coexist, we must find a way to make our relationship prosperous. It is in the interest for both you and me.